Well guys, it's Ethan Jackson with Ease Loyalty Lawn Care. Check this out. We're on our Thursday route. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Ease Loyalty Lawn Care, no matter rain or shine, as long as there's no lightning, I'm out here mowing. We're gonna wait to see if it lets up a little bit. Actually, it's supposed to in about 15 minutes. So there's the customer's property. We're gonna try and knock that one out. So I'll take you guys along for the ride on that one. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up that one down there, and as you can tell, when I got out it started pouring down rain again, so I am soaked. I'm gonna mow this one right here. This is the first one I showed you in last week's video actually. So I'm gonna mow this one, and I'm just gonna keep up with you guys really, because it's not too bad. It just kind of like came in a burst and it's starting to let up now, so it's not like the grass is completely soaked, but we had a lot of rain last night, so hopefully we can finish out the route, but probably not. Alrighty guys, so what happened was basically after that last year I just showed you, I just stopped, but now it's pretty nice out. But I'm gonna finish up tomorrow because I really got poured on. As you can tell, the mower is gonna need some extreme scraping of the deck. I'm getting ready to do that. The trailer, after I just painted, the paint held up actually really well. So if you want to update, there it is right there. But I'm gonna clean it off. I mean, the sides are just bad. So I guess I'll put you on the deck like I always do, and like I said, we'll use the 3-point hitch. It's easier now to use the 3-point hitch in the bumper area just to ratchet that up. Oh, and we did have a problem with the mower this morning actually. What happened was, where you grease it, where you can't tell, but you grease it like right on the wheel there actually, and I was greasing it, and both of the grease inserts, grease nipples fell out. And I have them both in a bath. There's that one right there, and I have a bath to degreaser so I can get them cleaned up. What in the world? That one looks weird for some reason. Get them cleaned up because the threads are stripped, and go pick up two new ones because you got to grease that since it's like the tight turn feature of it. So you grease it right, like I grease it once or twice a week, usually depending on how busy I am. We'll throw a new set of sharp blades, so it's ready to go tomorrow. Tomorrow should be really nice weather. So real quick, I'm going to move the tread out so I can do that, but actually, I don't know if you know, but I'm able to fit the trailer, mower, and the tractor in that trailer all in my garage, which is really nice, actually, all at once. So maybe I'll show you that at the end of the day, or at the end of this. Okay, let's see. I'll put you right under. I'll get the line. I forgot to grab that. If you guys are wondering what I'm listening to possibly right now, by any chance, all I'm listening to is the Contractor Podcast, the new episode that came out Thursday in October. Man, that is a lot of grass, guys. Wow. And this is crazy. That one last yard mode when I was pouring down nothing but rain, guys, I didn't have a single clump in that yard, and it was 4 inches I was probably cutting off because it's getting to the end of the season anyway, but the grass is growing like pretty good and steady still actually, which is kind of crazy almost. It's like I'm trying to get ready to start. I'm scheduling aerations, fall cleanups, getting ready to do aerations within a week or two probably. I saw True Green out, so I need to get in the game before I get beat. I highly recommend Kid Contractor Podcast. It's funny, comical, but you do learn a lot. If I hear anything good while I'm listening to this and working on this, I'll share it with you guys for sure. Man, wow. I did not realize how bad it was. Seriously. I have a question. What do you guys recommend for my trailer? What would you recommend for, what's it called, ramps to help me lift up my ramp? Because that ramp is, if you've seen the video, it's reinforced decently, and it weighs a decent 100 pounds. So, yeah. You let me know. I know Gorilla Lift, but that's two of them. I want to be able to use as much space on the trailer racks for, or railing on the trailer for, like, trailer racks and whatever. Oh, my tools are here. The other tools I needed. I'll be right back. Let's see, I need. Ouch. Just hit my head. Oh, let's see if I can get that crank in there. Right now on the podcast, he's talking about video, I believe, off Instagram, about calendars and scheduling. And some serious weapons. Okay. I gotta go this side now. Let's see where that other boat go. Did I find it? And guys, I blew this mower off, or at least I blew the top of the deck off after every yard today. So I need to do that because I didn't do it on last year because I was getting soaked. When I get a commercial mower, I want to get the, what's that jack from Ballard Products? They just pop up real quick. Can't think of the name. But that's what I'm going to get. So it's faster. You can do it practically anywhere. Oh, now Caleb's talking about exercise. You're gonna have to listen to it, guys, to understand it. I'm just gonna say random stuff about it. Honestly. And now he's talking about hunting down projects. Today started out good. I got 3 yards on them. We started the downpour. I love this deck scraper, guys. I might get the Pro Scraper from Ballard Products eventually to test that out. See how that is. Compare it to this one. So I'll leave the link, if I can find it, the link in the description down below for this scraper if you want to pick it up. I'm sure it's going to be cheaper than the one from Ballard Products. Alrighty. Well, I think Okay. Let's throw some new blades on here. I already sharpened and balanced these blades, of course. You know how important that is, guys. If you guys are wondering, I might have mentioned, I might not have already before. Oops. The socket that I use for my... Oh, come on. The socket that I use for my blades here is a 15/16 socket. So if you use the same mower as me, a Craftsman T240 46-inch, or most riding mowers that I found are 15/16, like residentials. I don't know why, but that's what they are. Oh, come here. Get on there. I'm gonna have to take this glove off. It's a little big on me. Okay, now let's try this again. Oh my goodness. Let's try this way. Why isn't it going on there? Is my star strip? No. There we go. Right here. Okay. That's good there. I just cleaned my garage out yesterday, so I'll have to clean this all out again. This is seriously pretty nasty wet grass. Especially after a day of mowing wet, thick, juicy lawns. You should definitely scrape your deck off. I highly recommend that. Oh my goodness, wow. The blades I took off, I just looked at them right now. And the edges on them, I've stopped mowing for about an hour and a half probably now. But the blade's already rusting. That's crazy. Okay, we're on there good. Now he's talking about reading a book as a man to thank you for 10 minutes a day. Now, reading that 10 minutes a day. Okay, let's get this stuff out here. I'm gonna let this down nice and slow. Oh, maybe. Alrighty. Okay, let's pull this thing out. let's get this thing off here. I'm gonna set you guys right there. You can look at my trailer. I'm really glad that I was able to buy this trailer. If you don't already know that. It was a big upgrade in my business, and there's definitely more upgrades to come. That is for sure. Okay, let's go get the mower. Let's hold it down. This episode of the Gig Contractor Podcast is mainly talking about using a calendar. I'm making a big old mess. Wow, yeah, it's a mess already. Oh, guys, I saw a meme the other day. It was pretty funny, actually. The meme was like, a meme. It was, if you need rain in your part of the country to mow, just wash your mower. Wash your mower, detail it, wax it, and then you should have rain within a few days. Don't take my word for it, because I don't know how true it is, but I saw a funny meme about that. And, like, I didn't detail my mower or anything recently, but I had it kind of clean. So I might actually just take that deck off, but I don't think you guys want to watch all that. It's just a few pins and stuff. I think I got the majority of it. We'll grab this out here. I would like to see like simple wing nuts to take it off, but no, you gotta take the bolts off and everything good like that, of course. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to clean. My goodness, I made a mess. Wow, shoosh. Yeah, that was another deck. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a heads up, I am gonna have a video coming out soon, like the hearing protection. I have the AirPods in right now, but AirPod Pros, but I do have ISO-Tunes, the free ones, I think. So I'm definitely gonna do a comparison video of them soon. I've had them pretty much the whole year so far. I do enjoy both of them, so I'll keep that for the next video though, guys. So enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.